What's up, guys? Just got to the shop and I rolled my car out outside and it looks so good. I'm so excited, especially on sun. How good does that look? I think it looks a little bit darker on camera. I think it looks a bit lighter in person. And this is the dark side, the shade side.
I'm losing it, the news if it's some losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip, you choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind?
I had to put the trunk on. Honestly, even with fiberglass or a carbon trunk, it still looks very good. Put the taillights in just to make it look fuller. Dang. I'm super excited. It's been a month, over a month for sure, since I recorded anything. I've been pretty busy. Last time I recorded untaping the car, and you know, I untaped it. It's ready to go. Right now I'm working on simplifying my ABS unit. So basically I got new lines. I'm gonna remove those and I'm gonna run them the way I think is the most pleasant for the eye. So I don't know, the front ones will come out from, I believe, from over here and run to the unit, and then from here all the way around to the unit, and then, you know, down for the rears. So I deleted all the bracket and then mounted this thing straight to the chassis. It has some play in it, which is good, I guess. Wiring is tucked in. Just have this thing sticking out. I need a couple more wires pulled out for the brake booster thing. Yeah, and then a couple more stuff here. Then I can start putting the engine in. So slow process. I'm gonna put on time lapse, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Alright guys, so quick update. I've been working a little bit of camera. I didn't do much time lapse because it's just boring stuff me putting together. So I stole a black trim from my other car and I put a silver one that was on this car on my black car, just because I think it's much cleaner look with a black trim. And now I'm just assembling the rest of the stuff on the car, interior stuff. I'm gonna clean it up because it was open for a while, so it got really dusty and gross inside. I'm gonna vacuum it, clean everything out, get the shell nice and ready. Engine bay side, for now, it's getting ready. My engine's back on the floor. I have my LS7 flywheel, LS7 clutch. I'm just realized I never ordered hardware to bolt it on, because OEM hardware, well, first of all, it's gross, and I think they're like stretch bolts, so when you torque them they stretch. Don't quote me on that, I don't know for sure, but what I did, I just ordered new ARP hardware for it, and these ones they're actually longer than, because it came from dual mass flywheel to single, and these bolts are longer, so it's gonna hit stuff on the inside. So that's an update so far. I'm gonna work on installing this one on this side, putting the window in, putting the rest of the trim, and then cleaning the car out. Alright, I'm working on cleaning the shop, so don't mind the mess. But look how clean the interior is now. I have those carbon fiber wrapped for now. It just looks good enough. I think there's just like this silver underneath, I'm pretty sure. So if anything, I can just take it off, but it came wrapped. It's a decent job, so I'm just gonna keep it. But all the moldings are on this side, and just simply black. So now I'm working on cleaning the shop, and I haven't posted in a while, so I'm just gonna end it on this one. Some progress made. I'm waiting on a lot of parts. It's too cold to paint, so I'm just waiting on that. But as soon as it gets warmer, I'm gonna finish painting. The doors are prepped and the fenders are prepped. There's more interior pieces needs to be cleaned up. I still need to do a hood and a trunk. But other than that, I'm super excited to finish this car. And enjoy it. So thanks guys for watching, waiting. Bye.